So, hey everyone, this is the latest project launched by us. This is a web-based design software which is powered by AI. So, we'll come to the AI things later on. So, let's start with the basic stuffs. Let's start from the left side with the sidebar. The first thing in the sidebar is this shapes tab where you can add shapes. These are just basic shapes such as square, triangle, and circles. We don't need many complex shape because of the AI powered editing, so we'll come to that back later. And here also we have text. We can add text, and then when you select text you can have text options, transform, and then color, and that applies to everything else. In this image section we have this collection of image, huge library of image, over 5 million high quality stock photos, where you can also search photos whenever you want, and then you can add them to the collection, and then you can upload from your computer and you can generate with AI. And then here you can enter the file name and download whatever you have done here. So now let's get started with some of the AIs. So first AI will be this design with AI. So here what it does is whenever you have selected an element, you can give some prompts to edit it, such as make the color orange, and then press enter, and in 5 4 3 2 1, that's it. So it's orange now. Make the borders rounded. Now I hit enter and the borders are going to be rounded. That's it, but it's too rounded, so I'll say the borders should be little less rounded. So it is also holds on to conversation, so you can go little less rounded. You can say make it blurry, and then it just goes makes it blurry. Make it gradient of yellow red, then it will turn this into a gradient of yellow and red. That's it. So these things apply with images also. I say make it a square, it will turn it into a square, the photo. And then if I say make it black and white, and it turns the image into black and white. See, that's it. So here same thing applies with these text, like make it bold and anything like that. It just does it for you. And then some. Okay, so let's move on to the next AI. The next AI is you can select your this, and then you can write me a 20-word description about planet Earth, and then you hit enter. Then what happens is it writes it for you. So it has written a description. You can go transform, bring it forward, delete everything else for now. Nope. Okay, so that's how this thing works. So now let's delete all this stuff. So this is basically all the AI things here. And then this sidebar, we have this align this direction, align center, forward, backward. The dimensions you can increase and decrease like this. And then the color, here you can add gradients. You can select the gradient, and then you can choose between radial and linear gradient. You can change the linear gradient directions. All the stuff applies for everything else too. And then you can select the container itself and transform, and you can switch the dimension of this container itself. So you can adjust the size manually, or you can just select one of these presets, A4 logo, any of the presets available. So, and in this image section you can generate AI generated images with the help of this image with AI. So that's it. Thank you for today.